Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening the device and removing the screen without causing damage. Start by powering off your Razer RZ09-0369 and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. After successfully removing the back cover, set it aside and take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. Now, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect it using the spudger. This step is important to ensure safety while working on the screen replacement. If you're unsure about handling this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Next, you will see the screen assembly. There are usually several screws securing it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and keep them in a safe location. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen using the suction cup. If the screen is stuck, you can use the spudger to carefully pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any cables underneath. Once the screen is free, disconnect the display cable by gently lifting the connector. This step requires a steady hand, so take your time. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Now it's time to install the new screen. Align the display cable with the connector and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Next, position the new screen into the frame, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the screen in place. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. This is a crucial step as it powers the device back on. Before sealing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on the device and check for any display issues. If everything looks good, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align the back cover with the device and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to ensure the device is securely closed. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your Razer RZ09-0369. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle repairs yourself, remember we are here to help with professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.